What's up, fam? It's HairNatoly here. Today I'll be testing a new product that I found, the Dual 360 Airflow Styler by Longes. It's basically a straightener, a curler, but it has an airflow vent. So the idea is that you can style with this with heat while the airflow vents can cool down to set the style. How cool is that, right? So I'm gonna unbox this to show you how it works. Also, I'm gonna do a demonstration on my model so you can see the hairstyling result. And without further ado, let's go. First impression, the packaging is clean. And yes, I appreciate the brand understand this creator. This is what we're looking for. It's nice, slick look. And let's open this. All right. Ooh, it comes with a little manual. Okay, so you only have a main body for this, and I feel this is not too heavy. This is pretty light. You have adjustable heat setting, then you can also turn on the airflow. This is pretty much all you need. Let's just turn on to see what it looks like. Okay, you guys see this? Once I plug in the power, don't freak out. This one's not turned on yet, but this is very cute. The LED is running. So let me just turn on this power right now. By pressing it, that's how you get the heat adjustment. So you can change the heat temperature by pressing the power button. So earlier I was trying to press this fan button. It does not work. It's because the heat is trying to heat up until that temperature. So once the temperature is reached, now you can press this air fence and it works. Okay, I want you to listen to this. It's not too loud. And again, you have the swivel design, which is really cool. All right, let's go check out the demonstration with my model. Let's go. So go ahead, place this away from your face. Pretty smooth, actually. Oh, wow. I want you guys to take a look at this. Not bad. So this section, I applied the heat protect. Just want to see what's the difference. So I'm pulling backwards. And it's really smooth. I just wish they have more attachment or like different size of rod, because I feel like with longer hair this may be very good, but for shorter hair I don't know. Curls a little bit tight. Okay, it's not the smoothest plate they have. The heat plate right here is not the smoothest because I think it has a tension to clamp on this hair. You have to pull a little bit more force in order to pull this hair out. So if you put it for lesser time, your curl is going to be more wavy. Okay, I'll give it diagonal so the curl is not going to be so curl, more bigger wave. So with the more hair, it's actually easier to pull it out. Maybe parting a smaller section right here, as you can see, really small. I think 1 inch parting is probably the best result. You have a really nice tension. I really like it. One thing I want to mention about this, it's really light. It feels like there's not much weight, but at the same time, it's pretty powerful. Is it the best? I don't think so, but it gets the job done. So I'm just trying a different style. Some curls gonna be a lot tighter, some curls gonna be a little bit loose. You know, just give a different type of look. For this one, just flare out. So if you like the flare out look, you do a gentle flare out look, and that's really good. Really flare out look like that. And if you feel like this is too tight, you could just use this, run down just really fast and give it a much looser curl. I want you to see one more time. So this is how curly it is, because this is dual purpose, right? So you can actually just pressing down, go straight down, but you want to do it really fast, not too slow. When you get too slow, that's what happened. So you want to do it a little bit faster. So go again and just run it, and the curl is back. Okay, look at the curl, really bouncy. And if I could do this, you could do this at home. Okay, super simple. If you got any question, go ahead and just DM me. I'll teach you how to do it. What do you guys think about the result? Drop the comment below and let me know. And also, if you want me to review other products, please also drop the comment below. Again, once we hit the 500 subs, we're gonna do a raffle giveaway, and one lucky winner is gonna win this Shohei Ohtani big head bobblehead by the Foco. Hopefully that one lucky winner is you. And please subscribe to my channel, like the video, okay? And until then, stay confident and stay stylish, okay? And keep flexing. Peace.